I love you, nanay. Nasa iyo sa kibulan ko mga mahal. Mahal kita. Ay, alam mo, pwede yan. Yan na.
Tama na sabihin ng letter.
Nung huli na yung amin ng katito, hindi na makakita. Sabihin na ako pa.
Picture mo.
Tabingin na. Ang anak ko na walang tigil.
Hi, Nanay. Hi, Nanay.
No, you look, this one is for you. So you.
Ooh, good.
I'm not careful because I'm not to touch this one. Baka mahulog also.
It says, I love you, Nanay. And then this way. You'll be missed. This one will say, and I will love you. Next one says,
Nakaganda talaga sa kuya.
ooh, me. It's me. It's me. But I'm grown up already. Okay? I'm grown up already. That can't stop.
Wala naman
City with Grantham Ivan. Tatay, say hi to Nanay before we go. No, when... Tatay, come on. No, do it again. Do it again, Tatay. Do it again. Tatay, do it again. I didn't record it. I didn't record it. Tatay, I didn't record it. Tatay, I didn't record it, okay? Say it. No, with your hand. Say like, hi, Nanay.
Hi, Nanay.